Hello everyone, this side CS Arjun Chabra and I believe every one of you is doing absolutely good. So this video is specifically I am making for those CMA inter and final students who earlier applied for only one group and now they want to apply for another group, yani ki they want to apply for both the groups. So the procedure will be, first of all, before beginning to the procedure, I want to let you know guys, there is no online mode to apply for the another group. Like if you have applied for second group earlier and now you want to apply for first group as well, there is no online mode, there is only one mode available, that is offline mode. And in case if you have applied for first group, now you want to apply for second group, there is no online mode. So in the notification it is clearly mentioned that you have to send a hard copy of duly filled form to the Institute of CMA at Kolkata along with the demand draft, so there is no online mode. So the procedure will be, what will be the procedure? And before moving to procedure, one more thing, many of my students commented on that particular video in which I am giving the information of another group, that you can apply for another group as well. So many of them commented ki sir, whether if we make a DD today and we fill a form today and post it, whether it will reach to the institute on or before 25th of October. The answer may be yes and maybe no, but it doesn't matter. What matters is your DD date must be before 25th of October. So I recently, just now, before 10 minutes ago, I called a office bearer at Institute of Cost Management of India, and he gave me office bearer number of the examiner. So he told me, sir, it's okay. Even if your DD will arrive us 1 or 2 day after later, we can entertain that. So he even told me, sir, there is no need to send that past earlier form which you have filled online. The only thing which you need to do is fill the offline form, tick the another group which you want to appear, make a DD today or max to max tomorrow, because today what I can see is today is Friday, tomorrow will be Saturday and 25th will be Sunday. And as per the tweet of one of the former president of CMA Institute, CMA Rakesh Singh Sahabji, so he given some tips or advice ki make your DD today or maximum by tomorrow. Fill the form offline. Please send hard that hard copy you filled, and the DD you must scan it and send to the email given in that notification. In that notification which institute has given, that students can opt for another group. In that notification itself, institute has provided an email of help desk or exam desk. You must send that hard copy, a scanned copy of that hard copy before sending it. So you must send that soft copy of that hard copy to the respective mail ID, and you also must send that to the Institute of Cost and Management Accountant of India, Kolkata. So the procedure will be, so I think I made the things clear. There is no online mode, firstly. Secondly, it doesn't matter whether your DD and offline form will arrive to them on or before 25th. Even the institute can understand this, ki the things are not going good. So they told me that we can entertain even after 25th of October. If the DD and exams form arrive, we will entertain that. Okay. So आपको एक मेल भी भेजना है and hard copy भेजना है. तो procedure will be, you have to go to the institute website. This is the home page of institute website. Go to the student tab. Okay. Once you go to the student tab, you will find here exam. Click to the exam. So in below you will find offline exam form update request for intermediate and final. So if you are inter student and want to apply for another, click on the intermediate, and if you are final student, you want to apply for another group, click on the final. So when you will click on this, you will get the offline form. So this form is like this, just a moment. Okay. So here it is. So you must mention application form for the examination of June December 2020, and this will be your new registration number. Old registration number also you have to feed here, and new registration number as well along with your photograph. So here, if you have already applied for the second group, you must click on tick on the first group only. And if you have applied for earlier for second group, so you must if you earlier applied for the first group, then don't tick on the first group, tick on the second group. So the conclusion is, whatever group you have earlier applied, don't tick on that group, you must tick on that group for which you are willing to apply. So this will be the group 1 and group 2, male, female, you better understand than me. So name and address will be on block letters, and instruction is clearly given that you must leave a space before a word, like your name, my name is Arjun Chabda, so ARJUN, left one block, then Chabda, address, corresponding address, phone number, fax number if any, email, date of birth, medium Hindi or English, and exam center. So this you will get from your earlier exam form. You have submitted that online exam form, so from there you will get the exam center code and exam center opted. Earlier exam form will consist of this information. You can get this from earlier exam. Your DD number. So you make sure before filling this form, you go rush, make a DD if you want to apply for another group. So first make a DD, then put a DD number, or fill the form, leave this DD number wala portion, make a DD and then put on this blank, date, rupees. Okay, now the rupees is, if you wish to apply for both group, it is 2400 rupees, and if you wish to apply for one group, it's 1200 rupees. So here, as you have already applied for one group, you have to fill 1200 rupees, and 1200 रुपए की आपकी ड्यूटी बनेगी 1200 की. Then date, candidate signature, student's registration number, and please read the instruction. There are some instruction. So the very main instruction is, your offline form, yani this form along with DD will go to this address, the Institute of Cost Accountant of India, payable at Kolkata. So, and payment by money order, Indian Postal will not be accepted, and exam fee will not be refunded or carry forward under any circumstances. Okay. So there is no late fees as mentioned in the original notification, that up to 25th student can apply and there is no late fees. So you have to make a DD for 1200 rupees only. So you must read the instruction. It's time is not permitting me to read all the notification. You are smart enough to read this and understand this. So I think I have made all the points clear, and if you like this video, if you find this video very fruitful, please like the video, subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and share the video with everyone. And apart from this, if you have any other query regarding this, please contact me on the number given, that 6262626262621438. So all the best. Thank you so much. Bye bye.